Welcome back to Barnabas G's. The brother of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't provoke. All the whole people will put a hand for the kidnapper of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya to Nigeria. They say those people go there in trouble. As you don't carry all of them now, gather the whole elders. Go sue them for waiting that they call Amadioha. As it start right now, also Nangure. My people, he get waiting. One Igbo businessman do where they train for inside social media. Why we want bring and come outside today now to encourage our youth. We don't lose hope. We want the fastest lane, and that fastest lane don't they buy our youth today. As it start right now, they say the man just carry 15 million. They settle one of him boy. We don't spend small time with the learn business. Wow, this is nothing where they take know the Igbo people. My people, I go play the two video make word. Just stay tuned. Word from beginning and to end of this video so that you go understand what they have. We'll first bring the video of a brother of Nnamdi Kanu waiting talk before we jump.
I will not go for nothing. Okumunga is a the man you can say what who was in this year? What is that? Who got the other shit? But that's the other issue. No matter what you I will not go to this year. How much you got? I got no problem. When you know about the teacher, I'm not hiding to a papa. I'm going to I had no one you no more business. He said, so I brought me a weapon that didn't know. I'll get you the ground. He said, when I could have said, why did you know what you were? I got another police. He said, I get your man. If you know behind my game, let's go over the show. He said, this is the tradition of the ihe maka ya na-arịọ a ga-eji na Naịjirịa ma biri na ya aha ndị ebe nsogbu anyị si wee bịa nsogbu ha emerigoro ya Nnamdi Kanu wee kwuo sị na Peter ga ga-emekwa ikpe ya ọsọ ọ bụla ga-ewere faịlụ ma ọ ga-ekwu eziokwu ọ ga-ahụ echi ahụ Nnamdi bara ịgọ mmadụ ndụ bara imegide mmadụ o nwere ihe n'ọnwụ ndị mmadụ ndị obodo a na-asị Nnamdi Kanu ị ga-abụ ya meghachi ga-achọta ya kwere ga-akwụrụ n'azụ mụrụ nwa ga-akwụrụ na ya si ọkọ gachi were
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, every prayer where they pray here, I get the whole people we collaborate, go carry Mazi from Kenya. That one now wetin they call kidnapper and violation of human rights. Come to Nigeria. That person, it go happen for your head. He say, my people, let me show you this video. This is who the Igbos really are. But recently, our youth have lost it all. Our young girls have lost it all. Nobody want to follow the due process of life. Why we did not finish? Why our forefathers, why our fathers be able to survive the war that Nigeria government bring to us? The reason why we survive is because of this particular thing that I'm about to show you in this video. And today we have lost it all. So thank God that there's still a young boys out there that's still doing this. And this is the best way of life. Even Chinese, they are doing it. Other countries that progress, they are doing it. Just watch this video.
I'm gonna shock one of my boy. Today is supposed to be his settlement day, but he's not awake, and he has been loyal to my company, mother. Junior, yeah. So as you can see, he's here. He's a good guy. He doesn't play with his jobs. He will even go extra mile to make sure that the company satisfies customers to their needs. When loaders are now around, he loads ties and balls, WC, and other materials that we sell to customers. So I commend him in a special way. He has been here, and some other people, like 3 other people came, and they have stayed to their normal year. That was supposed to stay. I've settled them, but still he didn't relent in what Omelokwe Hana on actually email on a feature clean and all that. There is a shop, email any notice the email. The loaders are not, like I said before, the load from the so there is one mother. Mana, you had no water. If you met no mother, I guess you were married. Today is Junior's payday. Because I get you my Makana Ndi Igbo Sena, onye ọlụ nwere ụgwọ. Onye ọlụ nwere ụgwọ. Onye lụọ olie. Onye lụ kanarịa olike narịa. So I had no camera gosi Junior. Oh yeah, or the Goya serve go mother 7 years. Junior serve go 7 years. And all the lawyer, all the humble, we're going to buy aqua. May go tell all the aqua, my aqua, may go tell all the sell pass or my go sell pass. So all the sincere, all the faithful. Mado neka na emia kita. E was the lawyer na ekwe gbapo. Onye ọbụla chọziri ego mbute. Ekpele ọga na-ekpe, ekpele nna na-ekpele nwa ya karịa ya nwa bụ omenala Igbo. Manager, bịa, because ihe mere Junior, ama m ihe dị gị n'oge. Ihe mere Junior tata ka ga-emekwara gị, because ị ga na-asị ka mbọsị nke gị ga. So I commend each and every one of you. They make this business grow. Other is Okwa Amala Chineke. So, Ogadra in Chanina. Oge na-etere aka settlement mgbe nke gị ga-abịa eluigwe na ala ndị nọ n'eluigwe na ndị nọ n'ụwa ga-enwekwa aṅụrị. So all of us are going to marry and enjoy at the end of the day. So I commend all of us ka anyị na-agbakwa mbọ ka the company grow. So Junior, congratulations. Jidekwe ka iji ilu Lagos igosi ha na ka ihe anyị na-eme n'Enugu na-enwe ụdị ha na-eme na Lagos. We move.
My people, this is so wonderful. You know, a lot of people will say that 15 million, they go get time in 3 days. My brother, you get time in 3 days, and finally now, you don't sell everything where you get that 3 days. Use and go smoke colos, or you see they find another one. Let me tell you something. There is a secret behind this types of our plenty, something like that. So there's a one secret behind it. Not only about the money, but the most important thing is that there is some wisdom that you will gather here that will help you to build your own wealth. That is one secret you have to get from here. So not about the money, but it's the wisdom. We all did it. Even though you did it, but you did not finish. But there is still wisdom. You grab that same wisdom. You understand? So that is the truth of the matter. Congratulations to this boy. And this is who we are, the Igbos. So our young, our fathers, our mothers who are leading your children, most mother will go and borrow money and buy laptop for their children to go and make money. What are you advising your children to go and steal, to go and do bad things, you know, in order way for them to make it? So this is where our problem will start from. But if we can go back to who we are and work hard, we are going to grow bigger, even more than we are today in Biafra land, in Nigeria, in anywhere we find ourselves today. Congratulations to this guy. Please share this video. Don't forget say see there for Balabas GC. Here what would they bring you Ogbonge news as it they happen. I beg, share this video.